We're gonna go hiking on a trail called Hilton Falls via Beaver Dam Trail and Hilton Falls Side Trail. I'm not kidding, that's the name. It has a 4.6 star rating and the trail is moderate difficulty. We're coming to a gas station first to get some water and maybe some snacks before we head to the trail. Strawberry lemonade.
All right. Please.
We made it to the trail. There's about 6 parking spots in total here, and we got the last one. We're just applying some sunscreen and bug spray before we go in. I'm a little paranoid of the ticks. I've been seeing a lot of people post about the ticks. The ticks this season. Apparently it's really bad, so I'm kind of scared because I wear shorts. But we will check for ticks on the way out. What are you doing?
Sending a message to the dude.
I got on my hiking shoes and I'm ready. This is the parking area. Wait, there are actually 7 spots. So 4 cars on this side, and then there's 3 on the other side. What if people want to come here and they want to know what the parking situation is like?
She's informing the people.
I'm being a guide, you know?
Our guide.
Yeah, so if you want to come here, there's about 7 spots that you can park in.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wear long sleeves, pants tucked into socks and shoes. Okay, ready?
Yes. Oh God! Why are they all coming after me?
They sense that you're a bitch.
We follow the blue sign. That's for Bruce Trail. And it should lead us to a waterfall. Okay, so for a moderate trail, this is kind of intense already.
Got it.
We've arrived at an opening on the trail.
Yeah, we should be following the blue. I think this way.
Okay.
Yeah, this way.
Huh?
Let me see.
This is confusing. There's like 2 arrows pointing at different directions. One's pointing this way, one's pointing that way. Is anybody else also very lost when they go hiking? Or in general? I'm really bad with directions. So I'm very glad Thomas has great directional sense.
Probably bouncy for
There's no way. That would be crazy. It landed on a leaf. Wow. We've seen a lot of people on this trail so far.
Yeah.
Saw bikers, saw lots of walkers.
Yep.
No, I got it.
What was this? Pink lemonade?
The flavor is fraise lemonade. Oh, it's strawberry lemonade.
Is it good?
Delicious. Just now we thought we heard the falls and it was just the wind. It did say this trail takes about 2 to 3 hours to finish and it's one big loop. We are bound to see it at one point. The toilet situation is a little less than ideal. We're very close to the falls now, to the point where the sign says falls, because earlier it didn't say that. We have walked for an hour and 46 minutes and we're finally at the falls.
It's like the American Falls right now.
So the falls goes off the edge over there. Wow, cool.
We made it.
Waited. How does it feel?
Accomplished.
I can't believe how happy people are to see water. I'm people. We made it to the falls! Why did I automatically do that? We said we would eat our hot rods after we see the falls.
We're
Here's
finally
our
here.
hot rods.
Long as hell. I got the teriyaki one.
And I got the regular beef. Dang.
Oh, dry as hell.
Dry as hell. We powered up.
The recharge.
Yes, we are recharged now. And we're heading back. We're gonna go back the same way that we came from instead of going the other way, which is like a big loop. We could hear the cars, which means we are so close. Is it up this hill?
We're gonna go.
My thighs are burning. This is the best feeling ever. We could see the cars.
Salvation.
Oh my god. At one point I thought we weren't gonna make it out of there. I'm gonna check for ticks. That was 3 hours and 11 minutes. 11K. What have we learned? Sometimes you just want to get to the destination. The journey pass. I want to get to the destination. Thank you. It was a lot of fun.
That was fun.
And we're gonna go on more hikes this summer. That's a goal of ours. We're heading back to downtown Toronto to go to Burger Drops for dinner. There's a live DJ.
All right, what do you got?
I got the original single, which comes with, I think it's just beef, a beef patty, pickles.
How do I, oh shit, I did the wrong thing. What did you end up getting?
So I got the original single,
Mm-hmm.
which is one beef patty, cheese, pickles, and the sauce.
That's the drop sauce. I got the American lettuce, tomato. It's kind of like an American cheeseburger.
Ah.
And then we also got, there it is, curly
Curly
fries.
fries.
And we got a bit of dip with it too.
We'll end the vlog here. Thanks so much for hanging out with us again. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.